Children, this is from direct and inverse variation standard 8. Let us quickly read this question. If 12 women can weave 15 meter of cloth in a day, how many meters of cloth can be woven by 20 women in a day? Children, please pay attention. 12 women when employed, they are weaving 15 meters. Suppose the number of women are increased, that is if 20 women are employed, then how much cloth will be weaved? That means if number of women will be increased, naturally the amount of cloth weaved will be increased. So we can say that this is the case of direct variation. So let us quickly solve it. Solution: let the number of women be x and the length of cloth woven be y. Now let us quickly make the table. Twelve women is weaving 15 meters of cloth. Okay, and 20 women if employed. That means if 20, here we are having women and here we are having cloth. So we have to keep this in mind. 12 women, 15 meter of cloth, and suppose 20 women we are taking. So how much cloth? So here we will get, here this is the case of direct variation. This is the case of direct variation. So in direct variation, what do we do? What do we have? Here, so x by y is constant. So simply what we will do? Both x by y will be equal. 12 by 15 will be equal to 20 by this unknown quantity. That is how much cloth will be woven. So 12 into this unknown quantity will give you 20 into 15. So this unknown quantity will give you 20 into 15 by 12. 3 4s are 3 5s are and 4 1s are 4 5s are. So here we are getting 25. Now what is this 25? 25 is the length of cloth. So our answer, final answer will be 25 meter of cloth will be woven by 20 women. Dear children, let us go through one more question. Rohan takes 14 steps in covering a distance of 2.8 meters. What distance would he cover in 150 steps? See, Rohan is taking steps, and as he is taking steps, after 14 steps, he found that he has covered 2.8 meters. Now, suppose he is covering 150 steps, how much distance would he have covered? This you have to find out. Naturally, dear children, you can see that if he is covering 14 steps, he is going 2.8 meters. That means if he will go for more steps, he will cover more distance. That means this is a case of direct variation. Let us take number of steps as x and distance covered as y. So let us make the table first. So for x is what? X are the number of steps. So 14 steps. How much distance is he covering? Y is the distance. So 2.8 meters is covering. So you know 150 steps. For 150 steps, how much distance is he covering? You have to find out this one. So this is the case of direct variation, as we have already discussed. And what is there in direct variation? X by y is equal to constant. That means we have to equate both x by y's. So 14 by 2.8 will be equal to 150 by this unknown number. So what is this unknown number? We'll find out. 14 into this unknown will give you 150 into 2.8. Dear children, this will imply that box will be equal to 150 into 2.8 by 14. Simply, you can just remove this dot and put 1 0 here. I hope you know the rules of decimals. If you multiply with 10 above and below, this point will be omitted. Now you can see that 1 0 1 0 you can cancel here. 14 ones are 14 and 14 twos are 28. So you will get unknown number as 15 twos are 30. 15 twos are 30. Now look here. What is this 30? 30 is meter. 30 is meter. So what is your final answer? What distance would he cover in 150 steps? Rohan will cover 30 meter in how many steps? In 150 steps. This is our final answer, dear children. Yes, dear children, let us read this question. If the weight of 5 sheets of paper is 20 grams, how many sheets of the same paper would weigh 2.5 kg? You can see that I have written 2.5 kg with a different color. This is to denote that here we have got two units, one smaller and one bigger for weight. So first of all, we should take that particular point into our brains before solving the question. And here 5 sheets of paper is weighing 20 grams and you have to find out how many sheets of paper will weigh 2.5 kg. Naturally, if the weight is increasing, number of sheets will also increase. Therefore, this is the case of direct variation. So let us start this in mind. This I am just writing to inform you. So 2.5 kg, first change it. 2.5 kg will be equal to 2.5 into 1000. First 25 into 1000 will give you 25,000, but from the back give one decimal. So this will be giving you 2500 grams. What is 2500 grams? 2.5 kg is equal to 2500 grams. Let us quickly make the table now. See the table. X, Y. What is our X? 5 sheets. How much is it weighing? 20 grams. And then how many sheets? You don't know this. Will weigh 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. So 5 by 20. Since here X and Y vary directly. So we can say that 5 by 20 is equal to, we are unknown by 2.5 kg. For this we will write 2500. So box into 20 will give you 2500 into how much? 5. So your unknown will be equal to 2500 into 5 by 20. So you are getting 125 here, and box will be equal to 125 into 5, that is 625. That means what is your final answer? Our final answer is 625 sheets of paper will weigh how many grams? 2500 grams, that is 2.5 kg. I hope children you got the concept here.